In this video, I'll show you how to join the voice chat on Roblox servers. First, open Google and search for Rolling Mons, and click on the first result from the Rolling Mons Roblox website. Once there, hover over or click on Games to navigate to the games catalog. After the catalog loads, search for the game you want to join with voice chat. I'll use Please Don't as an example by clicking on the first link in the results. Next, scroll down within the games page until you find the Places section. If the game offers voice chat, you'll see a separate entry labeled Please Donate Voice Chat. Click on it. Finally, click the View on Roblox button, and you'll be taken to a dedicated voice chat server. Hit Play to open the Roblox client and load directly into your chosen game's voice chat server. I hope this helps. If you found the video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.